All right, so I just got done putting 410 gears in this Bronco and a new Yukon Duragrip carrier. So the old 355 gears and open diff.
Penis! He's gotta redo it.
Look at this big fucker, dude. He's so funny. Tori thinks he's so funny. Oh my god, are you gonna pass out?
Shit.
He might.
Oh.
Someone hold his hair.
So Spencer here is kind enough to practice his diff welding and
I don't
weld.
need practice. I'm fucking the best.
All right, we'll see. Well, I mean, Sam's pretty cool, so.
I see what you did there.
There you go. So anyway, he's gonna weld this up, and not only is he gonna weld it, he's gonna weld it on the hood of his Ford Explorer.
$3.99.
And then I could put it in the drift car and have a welded diff, because it is the cheap, low buck, low dollar drift car build. So that means we're welding diffs.
Ogre Fab Mobile.
Ogre Fab Mobile. Get your diff welded on your hood right here.
On my hood.
Or he'll do it in the car.
If you clean it.
If you clean it. Looks like a weld.
Don't do that. This is either gonna work or fail horribly. There's no halfway between.
Well, luckily I'm not Tori, so I don't break everything I drive.
It's true, he does do that. If you want to weld a diff, you don't need a welder, but it helps.
Words of wisdom from the Cope.
Ah,
Don't scratch the paint, bro.
too late.
Rear end's all prepped, pinions in, ready to go there. Diff is welded, just need to clean up the slag, throw the ring gear on it, and put it in. All right, all right, all right. So we got the just good enough, non-gas shielded, quick diff weld there by Ogre Fabrication. Thank you, Spencer. And now it's going back together, so you'll be on the track soon enough, baby. Mustang.